I build a couple of food gifts every year. Because back in the day when I was a kid, I used to take a grocery store, reusable grocery store bag, you know, it just looked like a big, kind of like a big fishnet. And I would draw a recipe card, you know, like I'd draw a bowl of spaghetti and give you a spaghetti sauce recipe. And then I'd go to the grocery store and I'd buy that recipe like times 10 and I'd make 10 little gift bags and I'd give everybody, you know, spaghetti dinner. All these decades later, I kind of still do the same thing. Only now I have my own grocery store bags. And this is my favorite. This is my favorite set because it has a pantry bag and a refrigerated bag in it. But for instance, this year for a lot of my friends that don't cook, I'm giving them some pasta and some jarred sauce, which after all these years of knowing me, they should know better and they should be making their own sauce. But my olive oil and vinegar, something sweet so they don't have to bake. This is a dark chocolate amaretti. I know, a big chunk of Parmigiano Reggiano, a little prosciutto, so they have a spaghetti dinner and dessert, a little hot pepper sauce because it makes the jarred sauce taste better. And then for every night of the week, I write recipes for all my spice grinders, and you can make things taste like Italian or Mexican or whatever just by using the different spice blends. So I put the spice blends in. My lazy spoon set. And my mopping. This has pot holders in the two corners. So it's a pot holder, an apron, and a dish towel. And then I zip it all up, and that's bag for people who don't cook. Bag for people that do cook is not a bag at all. It's one of my cast iron enamel pots. And this is done by my friends at D'Italia Foods. They put some of the things that I buy from their company in with some of my products, like my olive oil and vinegar in here, but it has the hot pepper sauce, some good anchovies, some good pastas, and little ingredients that they could use to fill their pot with. Every year I have to come up with kind of a new version of what I'm gonna do for kind of my group gift, because I know a lot of the same people year after year, obviously. And so everybody that I know has already gotten this. So this is my favorite like hostess gift and holiday gift. It's my olive oil and vinegar sets, and they come with a little funnel so they're easy to fill. The reason you use cruets is to protect the oil from light and heat, so your oils will not spoil. And these are dishwasher safe. You can pull these out, and they use these in bars on the liquor so that it keeps out all the bugs and impurities, but they work great on the cruets too. And I love my cruets because it's all dishwasher safe, including the tops. So these guys are really cheerful and they come together, and then I would put that with my olive oil and vinegar. But everybody that knows me already owns that, so then I had to come up with all these other things. But I think there's 120 something people in this room that have never gotten this from me, so I'm giving it to everyone.